to build the biggest sandcastle ever! Aw, there's not enough sand in the sandbox. We should go to the desert. There's lots of sand there. Here we are. Okay, Morphle, let's start digging. Well done, Morphle. It looks great. But I am getting pretty thirsty. It's so hot out here. Water! Water! Yeah! Water gone! In the desert, sometimes it looks like there's water, but it's not real. It's called a mirage. Oh, look, there's another one. This one is even moving.
This is not a mirage. It's my magic pet. Are you guys thirsty?